What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company, and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2020 Kia Soul Sport. This one's got some really nice features. You got those headlights that sweep across the front grille, aluminum trimming, alloy rims. This one's got these red bolts, look a little sportier. It's got a gray paint job with no scratches. Looks great. As we come around here to the back, it gets a backup camera. You get the sport badge over there to the right in red. And then these tail lights look awesome. They go all the way around the trunk here. You'll get your backup camera down here with the trunk latch to the right of it. You can pull that up, get a ton of space in the back of your Soul. Comes with the badged mats, a little bit of lighting over there to the left. You can throw down these seats for even more space. Other than that though, guys, it does come with blind spot monitors on the rear view mirrors. Let's check out the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior of your new Kia Soul, you're going to get steering wheel controls like Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control. Over to the left, you get a couple safety options, blind spot monitors, automatic engine start and stop system. You get your lane keep up top, traction control over to the right. You can see your blind spot monitor icon a little better there. That's on both of the rear view mirrors. Over to the left, you get an automatic driver's side window. Really nice touchscreen display. You're going to get Bluetooth capabilities, AM/FM radio, USB connection, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Two extremely helpful features if you want to plug in your phone with that USB. You can access your own personal music apps or navigation apps. Down below, you get all your climate controls. Really nice AC in here. Two 12-volt sockets, your USB port, a little bit of compartment space up top and on bottom here. Just behind this gear shifter, you get your drive modes. These will display over here on the gauge cluster, normal and sport mode. Two cup holders, good amount of space in your console. And this is actually a pretty roomy car. You get leg room in the front and back, and then cloth seats. And these are really comfortable cloth seats. Seats up to 5 people comfortably. This is just a pretty capable car. You get lots of options on your screen here, a couple different safety options. Overall, great looking interior. To wrap it up on this Kia Soul, guys, it's in amazing condition, doesn't have a single damage or accident on its Carfax report. It's also a one-owner vehicle with just under 11,000 miles. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood that gets up to 29 miles per gallon in city and 35 on the highway. You're going to get a couple of different options that make this car a lot better. You get the backup camera in back, alloy rims, Bluetooth capabilities on the interior with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, safety options like lane departure warning, blind spot monitors, automatic engine start and stop system. It gets great gas mileage, really family practical, seats up to 5 people comfortably with a good amount of cargo space in the back. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.